We're gonna try something a little different today, or tonight. I'm gonna see how long I can stay quiet for. And yeah, I don't know how long I'll be able to do this. I'm not the best at stifling, but we'll try. I already feel it tickle. Fuck. I can't even talk, holy shit. My face is burning so like the tickles like right at the top of my nose by my eyes. Definitely gonna need to get tissues during this, so there might be a little pause, but yeah, let me know if you mess with the stifles or not. Because I guess if a lot of people like stifles, so I'll do them more often. It's not really my thing, but oh, fuck. If people like them, I'll do some more. I guess this is kind of my first. It's actually getting hard to stifle now, but I guess this is like my first scenario. How can I fucking talk? Oh my god. I'm trying to say, I guess this is like my first scenario, technically, because I do have to be quiet. Holy shit. I guess my nose is making it hard for me to be quiet. I must know I'm trying to be silent. Oh my god, that was so fucking messy. Hold up. Alright, I got a tissue. Finally. Probably should have done that earlier. But let me know if you want to see nose blows too, because I could do that. I don't even know if you'll be able to hear this, honestly. So you gotta let me know if you can hear me too. It's like an ASMR video. It's actually getting really hard to stifle. I don't know how long I can do this for. This might be a shorter video. Oh, fuck. I don't know why my nose is tickly, but it's good for the video. Fuck. I was teasing me. Okay, that one just popped my ear. Oh my god. I wish y'all could see me right now. I'm literally fucking crying. Oh my god. Oh, my whole face is burning. It feels like I dunked my head in boiling water. I just popped my other ear now. Great. Shit. Oops. I'll edit that out if I do how to. I guess I failed, but I'll keep on going because I'm still tickling. So, lucky you. My eye is literally fucking burning right now. I'm holding my eye against the tissue. Jeez. I gotta sit in my mouth, dude. That shit almost flew. That shit almost flew out. Yo, if you made it this far, let me know what your favorite flavor Zen is. If you do those, I need to try all the flavors, so let me know which one's the best one. I'm trying to stop vaping 2026. Just pop both my ears at once. I'm gonna go deaf at this rate if I keep going any longer. But yeah, I'm trying to stop vaping in 2026. Fuck me, that was Oh my god, okay, yep. Literally all over my shirt. That's fucking great. That's great. I just messed up a nice ass shit. Anything for a video, I guess. Yo, I think that might be it. Alright. Yeah, that's it. I can't keep this shit going.